This is 2 Fun Family Packing Tips.
Part 1. What luggage should you take? You should probably take a small wheelie bag and maybe a backpack.
And you can just put your smaller ones up above your seat on your airplane.
You want them to fit in the overhead compartment. You should also take the backpack to go underneath the seat. You don't want to take a big luggage because it could get lost
when they're being checked. You should take small wheelie bags because they're easier to carry around when going to train stations.
155-mile-an-hour train through a mountain, go.
You should not, because then that stuffy could be lost.
Yeah, I'll probably get lost. My mom, she lost one of her favorite sweaters. You can probably buy one on the trip, or you can have your mom make one for you.
So you should take a sweater and then wrap it around a pillow to kind of hold while you're sleeping.
What kind of clothes should you bring? You should bring probably regular casual clothes, not your nicest things, not things you love too much.
You should bring the clothes that you hate the most on traveling trips, like socks that you don't like, or a sweater or a shirt that you don't like.
If you're wearing them on the trip, you can throw them out so you have more space for souvenirs. And if you have a sweater you really hate but somebody gave it to you and they want to see it on you, then it's probably going to be in a photo. You can throw it out and then it's a win-win-win and you don't have to be embarrassed with other kids by wearing it.
Or anything that's a little too small. Or anything that's almost ready to throw away but you could wear one more time. That way you can throw it out on the trip. Thank you for watching this video. Bum 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 bum.